Hello, this is Darren Hermans with Cambium Networks. I'm a product manager in our enterprise networking group. Today we're going to be taking a look at this, the XV3-8 Wi-Fi 6 access point. On the 5 gig radio, it has up to 8 transmit and receive antennas, and the 5 gig radio is under software-defined control. Before we open up the box, let's flip it over, take a look at the back side. We notice here printed right on the box for easy reference, we can manage this access point with XMS in the cloud. We can manage it with CN Maestro in the cloud. We can manage it with a on-premises CN Maestro server, or we can manage it as a standalone AP. Also at the bottom of the box is a nice QR code printed very large. Just take your smartphone, go ahead and snap that picture, and then presto, there we go. Now we can easily access all the online material, including user documents, installation guides that you can use to finish your installation. So nice, convenient way to finish the project. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Okay, so first of all, standard leaflet, product leaflet, you expect that, printed in 9 languages. So I hope you plan to read all of them. Opening it up, there's a nice diagram showing 5 different ways to mount this access point. There are 3 different T-bar mounting systems, 24, 14, and 38 millimeter. Wall mount or ceiling tile mount. I'll show you all those accessories in just a minute. Now the access point comes in a clear plastic bag. It also comes with a clear plastic liner installed over the AP. And that's a really nice feature suggested to us by one of our partners. And we thought it was a great idea, so we decided to do it. The nice thing about the clear plastic liner is that when you're all done with the installation and your smudgy fingers have been all over the access point, you can just peel off the liner, throw it away, and the installation looks very, very clean. Now this particular access point does not have the liner because, well, I've been playing around with it, so I've taken it off. All right, looking at the back side, we have 2 Ethernet ports. We have ETH1, which is up to 5 gigabits per second, and that's your PoE input. You can operate this access point on 30 watts, full data radios, no problem at all, including the scanner radio. If you do want to use the USB port to plug in a USB external device, then it does require more than 30 watts to operate with the USB. ETH2 is 1 gigabit, so 2 Ethernet ports, 1 gig and 5 gig, 12 volt accessory power jack if you want to do that. Let's take a look at what's underneath here. All right, what we have is extra bubble wrap. That's good for scaring the family cat. Don't need that anymore. And we have a bag of accessories. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Now in the bag of accessories, what we have is a small baggie with some mounting screws for wall mounting. We have a metal plate for mounting it on a ceiling tile, and we have the plastic mounting adapter. Now this is the mounting adapter that has 1, 2, 3 different T-bar mounting systems, plus the holes that can be used for other mounting options. Now here's the part you're really gonna love. If you've ever been standing up on a ladder and trying to snap the access point on, and it just doesn't want to securely attach and it's hard to do, you're gonna love this new bracket. This snaps on very easily, securely, does not come off without using a screwdriver to take it back off again. So let me show you that right now. Flip the AP over. We have the latch right here, which aligns with the latch on the mounting system. And we have these 4 slots. We line up the access point to the slots, snap it into place. That's it. So nice and strong. It's not going anywhere. You're not going to be able to take that thing off without using a screwdriver to insert inside the slot and remove this bracket. So there we have it. There's the XV3-8 Wi-Fi 6 access point from Cambium Networks. Thank you for watching.